Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'll be making some char siu, which is Chinese barbecue pork. I've never made it myself before. I've seen people make it. But yeah, today I'll be trying this recipe from the website Rasa Malaysia. So it's a simple recipe. It requires an overnight marinade. So right now what I'm going to do is to marinate it first tonight and probably cook it tomorrow for lunch. So yeah, if you're new here, my name is Dick Wyn. I do a lot of food videos, like basically grocery shopping videos, and just like everything in between my personality and like things that I like. So yeah, do subscribe if you're interested in those kind of topics, and I'll move on to the top-down shot where I'll do some prep work for the marinade. Alright, I'm back here with the top-down shot. Here, as you can see, there's quite a number of ingredients here, so I'm just going to go through what is needed for the marinade and the sauce making. So yeah, the marinade is the sauce, so you make the sauce out of the marinade. So yeah, you get it. I'm going to zoom in here, and the first ingredient that you need is pork belly. So I have 1.3 pounds here. The recipe requires about a pound. And the further ingredients are garlic, Chinese fermented red bean curd, honey, Chinese Shaoxing wine, soy sauce, oyster sauce, dark and thick soy sauce, 5 spice powder, some pepper, and some sugar. So here's my pork belly. This doesn't come with a skin, so it's nicely tied up here. Unravel it. So what I'm gonna do is just cut it into strips. So 2 strips so down the center, lengthwise. Right, so I have about 4 strips of pork belly here. Alright, so off camera I just minced up about 5 or 6 cloves of garlic here. So there's about a little over 2 tablespoons of garlic here. So I'm gonna put it into the bowl. I have this bowl here to marinate, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge overnight. Alright, now I've got everything in the bowl, so I'm just gonna mix it and then put the pork inside to marinate. So let me give it a quick mix here. Right, so now last thing to do is just to put the pork inside and let it marinate. I'm gonna get my hands a little dirty here so I get wrapping it around. So this will be the marinade and also the sauce. Wrap it in some saran wrap here. Okay, and I'll put it in the fridge overnight, and I'll see you tomorrow where I cook this in the oven. Alright, welcome back. It's been around 16 hours that I've put this in the fridge. This is how it looks like right now. So what I'm going to do right now is roast it. I have the oven preheating in the background at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So once that's in, I'll pop these pork bellies into the oven roasting. So what I did off camera was to line a baking sheet with some aluminum foil and also added wire rack so that it has circulation for the roasting. So I'm just gonna dip some of the sauce, some of the marinade here on it, and just put it on top. Okay. So that's basically about it. Just gonna pop this in the oven right now. And after 15 minutes, I'll take it out to flip it over, add some extra sauce and on it, and do another 15 minutes, and we should be good. So while the char siu is in the oven, I'm just gonna have this. I have this cucumber here, so I'm gonna cut it so I can serve it alongside the char siu later. So I also have some rice cooking in the background there. Just normal white rice there, nothing too special. So cut this. Like that. Put this. So now that the char siu is in the oven for the last 15 minutes, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pop the remaining sauce / marinade into the microwave for about 5 minutes and taking out in 30-second intervals just to swirl it around because there is a lot of sugar. What I'm trying to achieve here is to get some bubbling and to reheat this sauce up. So this will be used on the char siu later and also the rice to make it extra tasty. So let me go ahead and do that. Right, I have one piece here, second piece here. So I'm going to carve into them. So this is what it looks like right now on the inside. Nice and juicy, nice and moist still. Oh, that's good. So that's how it is right now. So I have this bowl of rice here, so nicely set onto there. So what I'm going to do is just to lay the char siu around it. And also add a couple of cucumbers here. Just round this up here. And last but not least is to get some of the sauce here. Put it on top of the char siu. And there we go. Nice place of char siu rice. So char siu is nice. It's nice and has a strong flavor. And it complements well with some of the cucumbers and the rice here. So I'm back here. I have this nice plate of char siu rice here. I haven't eaten like char siu in quite a number of months right now, so I'm excited to try it out. So yeah, we know that it looks good, so let's give it a taste with some of the rice. So I have taking some rice, have a bite of cucumber here, and get some sauce here. So one whole bite here. That is really, really good. I'm genuinely surprised that this turned out this well. Very nice. The sauce is spot on. And yeah, the char siu, good amount of tenderness, good amount of like burn and charness. Really good. Alright, that's about it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, do give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe if you like content like this. And as a reminder here, this recipe is courtesy of Rasa Malaysia, so I'll leave the links to the recipe in their website in the description box below, right below the like button. And yeah, I hope that everyone's staying safe, staying at home. You know, just do some cooking, like maybe do this recipe if you want to. Super delicious, super simple. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. I'm just gonna go ahead and eat some of this. This is very delicious, yeah. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you and bye-bye.